Hey, what up, guys? Don't worry about my picture here, but my I'm doing a voiceover because I didn't get to record the audio for this. But we just recorded a video that went viral, promoting the Cree language with my new friend Ari, who came from New York to help us promote the Cree language. But what I'm going to talk to you about is a business lesson that I learned in marketing, which is to always give value, to give as much value as you could here. And so I'm on the back office of my website, one of my websites. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to message all of my leads. And in business, you should be generating leads all the time, like a group of people you're going to create a good relationship with, where you're giving value for whatever it is that you offer. And so basically a lot of businesses, they say like, buy my stuff, right? It's always like, check out my offer. But a better way to do marketing is to, like, here's a lead part right here. This is what I mean by generating leads. So I got a bunch of code that only I see because I'm in the back office, so that's weird code that's there. But see where it says thinking of going to your first powwow, enter your name and email and we'll give you a masterclass. That's how you generate leads. And so I'm going to email our leads, and I'm going to show you like the big difference that this makes in terms of doing proper marketing. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. And this lead thing that I use is called GetResponse. And GetResponse allows you to, generate leads and create a lead list. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out this YouTube video, and it's very entertaining. It doesn't say anything about buy my stuff. And then I'm going to say, like, check this out. This already has 680,000 views. You might want to check it out, right? And so this is also social proof for our program that we have. And so check this out. I'm going to add the recipients, and as you can see, this teachings there, and I'm going to add those because those are the leads I'm generating for our language program. There's 6,400 people that opted in and gave us their name and email. And so that means I could create one email that goes out to all of them, and because they gave us permission to email them, and so instead of just emailing, hey, buy our stuff, what I love to do is I'm gonna give some really good content that either helps them, entertains them, all that. So I'm gonna copy this YouTube video and promote it to our 6,000 people that, these are all our students. And below the offer below this video is, by the way, you can buy our products. You can buy our products. So I'm offering value first, so this is the page that they're gonna go to, and they could watch the video, and then when they scroll down, that's where they can buy our products. But I'm not asking them to buy our products. I'm just asking them, hey, check out this cool video we have. It's entertaining. So you could use that in your marketing. So I'm going to copy this link of this page, and I'm going to email that to our lead list, and I'm going to show you the difference it makes in sales. Like, what does this create in sales in just one day? And this is the amount of hard work I do every day. It's just like, I'm gonna write an email that's gonna help people. And so, I link to the page, and I click next, and now the email it's ready to go, right? That email is ready to go, and it's gonna go out to 6,472 people. And all I do is hit send message, and now this email is gonna go out, and it's gonna do its thing, and it's gonna send it out in a minute. So I'm gonna pause this, and there we go. So right now today, we have $236 in sales. That's how much sales we have right now at this moment. And the current time of this video, I'm gonna show you the current time. It's 11:06 a.m. and it's March 5th, Tuesday. Oh, and if you want to learn more of marketing stuff, go to patrickmitswing.com. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you the live opens, and it kind of shows you like who is opening our emails, and it'll show you live. So look, there's a click. So that green is like somebody clicked on it, but because I'm recording, it's gonna lag for a little bit. But you're gonna see a bunch of people that are opening the emails from all over the world, right? So it's pretty cool. This is how marketing works, to leverage, and all of a sudden, all these people who opted in to get our training and opted in to be a part of what we offer. See, now people are opening the emails, and it's cool to see it all live, right? So a lot of people in the United States, Eastern Canada, Eastern States, Western Canada, Western States, they're all like opening the emails and clicking on it, which is really cool. That you can have this power of instant communication with hot leads that are like, hot lead means they're interested in your products, they're interested in your services. And so I like to watch it sometimes, it's just to see, but actually I don't really watch it all the time. But I wanted to give you a visual of, the people who are opening the emails and clicking on the link to go watch this value content. And so the lesson I want to give you here is, give value first. Always give value first on whatever it is that you're doing is for your products or your goods and services. Instead of just asking for buys, hey, check this out, I got this for sale. Give a lot of value, as much value as you could. So I led with value. Oh, I got someone overseas in France, I think, as well. Part of our leads that open it up and watching the video, which is nice and awesome. And so this is us, giving value first. And a lot of times it'll just be like, hey, let me teach you something. Let me teach you something cool. Oh, by the way, after I taught you something cool, oh, by the way, we do have this course for sale if you want to buy it. That's how we do our marketing. And I think that's how you're going to win, because people start loving you for the goodwill that you're giving, that you're leading with goodwill, that you're not just here to sell stuff, but you're here to help, you're here to entertain, and you're here to, give really good value to your marketplace. So look at constantly people are opening up the emails, and constantly people are clicking on the link, and this is going to create sales. So as you can see, it already jumped up to 340 from, I think it was $230. So we're already like only like a minute went by, 11:06, a couple of minutes went by. Actually, okay, 11:11 a.m. So, we had 5 minutes go by, and we already made some money. So we're gonna let some time go by, and I'll show you the update.
Okay, now that the day is over, it's 12:36 a.m. I'll just refresh that. 12:37 a.m. the next day. So we let the whole day kind of go by. I think we sent that email out this morning, and here's the results. So 99.64 delivery rate to around 6,400 people. We had a 35% open rate, meaning 2,300 people opened it up, and a 3% click rate. Those are not bad numbers. That means we sent instantly 200 people to go watch that video, and it had an offer below. But do you remember the sales we didn't have that much sales yet. And what you want to do as a marketer, you want your people to see your offer all the time. The more they could see your offer, the more chances they're going to buy whatever it is that you have to offer. And they want to see it in different ways. They want to see it in a way where you're giving value. Not just, hey, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, but more like, hey, go watch this cool video, and it'll entertain you, or else it'll educate you, it'll give you value, and then you ask for a sale. Like that's the method I've been using, for so long. And so this video today is all about marketing and how that works for you, especially when you have a business or you have a talent or a skill. This is how you could really generate income and for yourself by helping others get what they want first. And so what did that result in, right? So the result is, let's see. So this chart means daily sales here. So, right here, I'll just click on that. It's $500 for that day, 572, 300, 200, 500, 700. And here we are today, $1,544 day. So that's just today, which is really cool for income. But it's all from helping people and the power of generating an email list of subscribers who want something that you have to offer. So this is part of that. And I wanted to teach you this in terms of marketing and how that works to get the results that you want. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was a longer video, but very informative. And I think it'll help you out with your business and your marketing. All right. Thank you.